Navarre. Today, we have managed to carry out an interesting test. It is an oral test, oral assignment, and the students, Mr. Abdullah and Mr. Abubakar, they are undergoing this test, oral test of biological names of different plants and animals. So I'll ask them, and they will write the names of the scientific names of these different plants and animals. Okay. Well, Mr. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
what is the biological name of tomato?
Solanum esculentum.
You write that, please. You write that. Solanum esculentum. Listen, gentlemen. Why you have underlined? Because it's a specific name. It is the name of the species.
Yes.
You if this question is worth 2 marks, you will get 1 mark. The reason there is a mistake you have committed here. Solanum is the generic name, and esculentum is the specific name or the species name, and you have started the species name with a capital letter. It is wrong. Now, again, I may tell you that according to your syllabus,
Yes.
this name is not given. Okay, the name of tomato in your syllabus is another one. What is that name?
Lycopersicum.
Lycopersicum.
Yes. Lycopersicum esculentum.
You write that. You write. Hurry up. Rabbit. Rabbit, please. Write with the black marker. Write with the black marker, please. Lycopersicum esculentum. Okay, right. What is this is the scientific name of what?
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay.
Tomato.
Okay. Mr. Abubakar,
Yes, sir.
what is the biological name of brinjal?
Solium melangina.
Solenum
Solanum melangana.
gana. You write that.
Yes.
You write. You write, please.
Yes, sir.
Solenum melangana.
Melangana.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
What is the biological name of your father?
Homo sapiens.
You write. The way of writing of Mr. Abdullah is good because he writes in a good way. Sapiens. In this way, and you must write like that.
Yes.
I mean, in this way. Okay.
Yes.
Come on. Next is what? Onion. What is the biological name of onion?
Then allium cepa.
You write that. You write. How do you write? I cannot see. Allium cepa. Is it allium?
Yes, sir.
Is it allium?
Yes.
You see? Is it allium? See the
Abdullah.
Abdullah. Make the correction.
UIM.
ALIUM.
UM.
ALIUM.
ALIUM.
Yeah. Allium cepa. Okay. Abdullah, what is that?
Allium cepa is onion.
Onion.
Yes.
Onion.
Onion.
Okay. Mr. Abubakar,
Yes, sir.
what is the biological name of hookworm?
Hookworm.
Yeah.
Sir, the biological name of hookworm is Right.
You're right. You're right, man. You pronounce it. You pronounce it.
Ancylostoma duodenum.
It is strong. It is ensylo.
Ancylostoma.
It is ensylo.
Ancylostoma
You
duodenum.
you strike out C before L. Yeah, this one. It is ancylostoma duodenal.
Yes.
Okay. And next one. I would like to ask Mr. Booker again. What is the biological name of rice? Rice.
सर वो स्पेलिंग आते हैं ORYZA
Oriza?
Oriza sativa.
You write that. Abdullah, you write. Abdullah.
ORYZA Saliva.
Sativa. Oriza sativa. What is the biological name of shisham? Tali.
Dalbergia sisu.
Dalbergia sisu. You write that, Mr. Abubakar. You must write in the way of Mr. Abdullah. You don't write that like that. Mr.
Yes, sir.
You must write like this. I would like to tell you, man.
For your first time,
Give me. You write like this. You must be here, okay, so that the students can see you, okay? No. This is Dilbarjia Sisu. Okay? You must write like that. And next is what? Mako.
Solanum nigrum.
Solenum.
Solanum nigrum.
You write that, Abdullah.
Abdullah, I had that.
What is the biological name of Amaltaz? You, Mr. Abubakar.
Cassia fistula.
But I asked Mr. Abubakar, why are you telling that?
I'm
Abubakar, you write that. Abubakar, you must write
Jesus, sir.
in this way that the students can see.
Jesus, sir.
Come on. Kesia.
Cassia fistula.
Cheating नहीं करवानी. Kesia fistula.
Fistula.
It is fistula, not fistula.
FUS on it. Yes.
Cheating not allowed, Mr. Abdullah. Okay.
Yes.
What is the biological name of gram, Mr. Abdullah Shah? Gram.
Sensor. Ariantum.
Eritinum. Sisor eritinum. And now is the turn of Abubakar.
Okay.
Abubakar, come on, take the position of Abdullah. Like you must stand like
Yes.
like Abdullah. Come on. What is the biological name of cockroach?
Cockroach is Plantinum americana.
No. Periplaneta.
Periplaneta americana.
You're right. AMERICIA. Americana. Okay, very good. And Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
what is the biological name of pinworm? Pinworm. Chumude. Huh?
Pin one. Enterobius vermicularis.
Enterobius
Vermicularis.
vermicularis. You right? Vermicularis.
Yes,
It's not
Wait.
vermicularis.
Yes.
What is its common name?
Worm.
Yeah, pinworm. Okay.
Yes.
And what is the biological name of Abubakar? What is the biological name of sweet pea?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Sweet pea.
Sweet pea.
Yeah.
सर स्वीट भी
Letharus.
सर आता है मुझे वो दिमाग में घूम रहा है
घुमाओ.
स्वीट
Lathyrus or Letharus, whatever.
ये ऐसे ही है Lathyrus parvaris.
Odoratus.
Odoratus.
Yeah, you're right. Does you feel worried?
No, sir.
Okay. Bisti Brumo. We hear what that man is doing. Lathyrus odoratus. It is also pronounced as Lathyrus as well.
Easy, sir.
You right?
Okay. Lathyrus.
Lathyrus. Odoratus.
O-R-O-U.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Odio.
Odio. That's which name.
Odo.
Odio.
R-A-T-U-S.
T-U-S.
Man, you right again. Abdullah, you right.
I remember.
Very good. Yeah.
Sweet pea.
Yeah. You right again.
This one,
you right again. Because the students cannot see this. Yeah, like this. Lathyrus odoratus. It is also pronounced as Lathyrus.
Lathyrus odoratus.
Okay. Come on, and Mr. Abdullah, it's now your turn. You write, what is the biological name of garden pea? That very important pea which was used by.
Python.
Yeah, great. It was the specimen which was used by great father of genetics, the great
Mendel.
scientist Gregor Mendel. Okay.
Yes.
Your S looks as if you have used what capital? It should be small. Small s should be of the size of A. Okay. And what is the biological name of Keeker? Keeker.
Yes, sir.
Keeker.
Yes, sir.
Acacia.
Arabica.
सर वो मैं रजिस्टर में सर गलत लिख दिया था तुम्हें बाद में पता चला ये
नहीं Acacia arabica.
अच्छा वो तो
Acacia arabica.
क्या आता है सर इसके बाद ACA
Arabica.
वो थोड़ा बना लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को नजर नहीं आता
मार्कर सही से चलो
ARABICA. Acacia arabica. Gentlemen, it was really a very good test.
Yes,
oral
sir.
test.
We improve it.
Yeah, you have improved it. Very good. Abdullah, would you write again? Acacia arabica.
Yes, sir.
It is called arabica because Araban is produced from it. Arabica. Okay, it is not from the Arabs. Mind it. Okay, Araban is the material which is secreted from these plants, Acacia arabica. There is another species of this genus, Acacia modesta, that is also found in Pakistan. Usually our friends they tell our students that this very plant Lathyrus odoratus is found in America. This is wrong. It is found in Pakistan and India as well. Okay,
Mashallah.
surely it is found in America and Europe as well, but shouldn't say that it is distributed only in America or in North America and South America. It has the worldwide distribution. However, Acacia arabica is found in the tropical regions. Okay,
Okay.
in tropical regions and desert regions as well, like Rahimiyar Khan and Mexico and
Wow.
Rajasthan of India, etc., etc. Okay,
Yes.
we'll discuss later on the distribution of these plants afterwards. Thank you very much for this good test.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Allah
Okay,
Hafiz.
good luck. Allah Hafiz.